So in this video, I will show you how you can install DesktopMate. If you find this video valuable, please consider subscribing and liking the video. So first of all, you're gonna need to download DesktopMate from Steam. After we download it, we're gonna go to Melon Loader site. I will leave the link in the description. We're gonna click on Get Started and then download latest for Windows, and then we're gonna open it. Great. Now we're gonna click on .NET right here, and then in Net Desktop Runtime, we're gonna click on Windows 64. Then we're gonna download it, and then we're gonna install the file, and then we're gonna close it. After that, we're gonna go back to the Melon Loader and then click on DesktopMate. If you don't see DesktopMate on the Melon Loader, you can add it manually from here. If you see it, then you're gonna click it, and then you're gonna make sure that the version is 0.6.6, and then you wanna click install. Then after it's installed, you can close the app. After we do that, we're gonna go to the second link I will put in the description. And then from the link, we're gonna go to the releases and then click on the latest update. After that, you're gonna scroll to the bottom and then download the custom avatar loader. Now inside the custom avatar loader, you're gonna find two folders. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the DesktopMate and then right click it, and then from manage, click on browse local files. Now from here, we're gonna take the two folders inside the custom avatar loader and then paste them inside the local files of the DesktopMate. And then after that, we're gonna go back to the Melon Loader site and then scroll to the bottom and then copy this text next to the hide the console. After we copy it, we're gonna go to the DesktopMate, right click it, and then properties, and then paste it here. After that, we can run the DesktopMate to see if it will work. Now, as you can see, the DesktopMate is working properly. If you want to close it, you're gonna right click it and then quit. Thank you for watching.